Hey, what's up guys, you're back with another video. In this video I want to share an amazing idea opportunity from Yellow Road that you can participate and make some serious gain. So this is the project that is getting launched called as sugarbounce.com. And also, if you don't know anything about how you can get yourself guaranteed allocation, make sure to check out my previous video on that. And also I will be sharing Medium page link in the description, so you can click on that and you can learn more about how you can get yourself guaranteed allocation and how the IDO model works. So if you are interested in that, make sure to click the link in the description, and let's continue with the video. So this is the project sugarbounce.com. It is getting launched on 4 different platforms, that is on Yellow Road, Trustpad, Paid Network and NFTpad official. So if you are interested in participating in IDO for Sugarbounce, you can get yourself whitelisted on 4 different projects, so that will be giving you some more chance of getting guaranteed allocation. And now let's move on and understand more about this project. So sugarbounce.com is an NSFW entertainment adult project. So if you are interested in participating in this adult project, make sure to get yourself whitelisted. So this is getting launched on multiple blockchains such as BSC and Polygon. So this is not just an adult platform itself, but they have lots and lots of different products such as Sugar Stream, Sugar Pulse, Sugar Reels, Sugar Starter, Sugar Market and Sugar Pay, which is also something really cool. So they have lots and lots of products. So the first is Sugar Stream. It is a proprietary P2P video streaming platform where you can watch adult videos and it will be completely decentralized. And the second is SugarPal. It is a subscription based content distribution platform where you have to buy subscription and then you can view out some premium content on that. And here comes the Sugar Reels. It is just like an Instagram Reels, but it will be decentralized adult content repository and sharing platform which will be completely decentralized, which is something really cool. And the next is Sugar Starter. It is a funding platform where you can fund different creators and you can also have different niche content proposal that you can fund on. And the next is Sugar Market. It is an online marketplace where you can buy and sell different NFTs based on adult NFTs, that is NSFW NFTs. And the last is Sugar Pay. This is anonymous payment processor where you can tip different content creators, and you can send out any payment anonymously, which is also something really cool. So this is not just one product itself, but this will be a complete ecosystem where they will be having lots and lots of product in place, and also this will be creating more and more utility for their token. And now you may be thinking that why we should go with Sugar Bounce rather than any other projects out there. So the first is, it is a game changing ecosystem where they have different products, a single universe for all NSFW entertainment needs for the next generation, and this will be completely decentralized and on chain. So this is the major advantage that we are getting, is that it is fully decentralized and it is completely based on chain metrics. And also in this single platform itself, you can say it is a single ecosystem where they will be allowing user to complete all their adult needs in just one single platform. And also you can explore the platform soon once the beta is out. Not just an entertainment platform, but it is more than that. The first is faster streaming network. Here they will be providing the best superior quality out there, and also the speed for streaming here will be really faster that you cannot get in the other platforms. And the second is exclusively personalized content. Here you can create your own playlist, means you can add up your own favorite artist and then you can create your own customized content, which will be really cool. And the third is NFT marketplace, that is adult NFT marketplace. As you know that there are lots and lots of marketplaces out there, but this will be mainly focusing on adult, which is one of its kind. The fourth is anonymous payment processor. So as I told, here you can tip completely anonymously and cost effective payment processing system, which will be really cool. And the fifth is crowdfunding content. Here you can fund different content creator in the platform itself. And the last is content ownership. Here they will be also empowering the privacies of the user, and they will be also having an content ownership type of certification where they will be certifying the content ownership for the particular user, which is also something really cool. And here is some information about how the token works on this ecosystem. So as you can see, these are all the different products, and these are all the different products in the ecosystem, and this is how all the people that are participating, such as viewers, advertisers, traders, and how the platform will be earning. So this is a complete guide on this ecosystem, how the platform will be working. So this is also something really cool, and transparency that is provided by the team about how this platform will be earning, and how the content creators and how all the different investors will be earning through this platform. This is something really cool that makes me more excited about this, is that their roadmap. Currently we are on the Q4 2021, that is their IEO launch. After that they will be also having centralized exchange listing, and also they will be onboarding first 100 performers in their platform. And all this in development will be Sugar Pals and Sugar Reels, which will be launched soon after Q4. And on Q1 they will be going live with Sugar Pals, and also they are planning to reach out more performance on the Sugar stream. And also they will be onboarding 500 plus creators for Sugar Pals, and they will be also going live with Sugar Reels, which is something really cool. So this is something really cool that they have lots and lots of event planned for Q1 Q2 2022. That is, they will be also releasing sugar starters, sugar marketers, and they will be also start developing the Sugar Pay, which is something really cool. And as soon as this is completed, they will be sharing more and more roadmap with us. And here comes the team. So there is also something really cool that they have also provided the team's information, that is public profile of the team is also available, so you can read out more information about the CEO, head of outreach, head of talent. So all the information will be mentioned over here. And here comes the advisor. They have lots and lots of great advisors that are backing this project, and also they are partnered with lots and lots of projects such as Go World, Game Starter, Sin City. And here comes the backer. So the list goes and on, because they have lots and lots of backers that are backing this project, such as SMO Capital, Pools Ventures, Black Dragon, CSA, DAO. So these are all the partners that are backing these projects. So this is something really cool, and I suggest you guys go get yourself whitelisted. I'll be sharing the whitelisting form link in the description for Yellow Road, so you can click on that and you can fill out the form. Winner will be announced 24 hours before the IDO, and only 3 days are left, so make sure to get yourself whitelisted before the time goes out. So that is all about this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.